𝗠𝗿𝗸𝗲𝗂𝘁 is your one-stop food and beverage supply solution. We provide high-quality products from local and import, including tea leaves, coffee bean, toppings, flavor powder, fruit syrup, fruit puree and machinery and equipment. Our business advisor will serve you with their professional knowledge and understand your current situation, such as your shop location, your targeted customer, type of business and interested products range. Based on information provided by customer, our business advisor will recommend and advise on the suitable product, provide further product information such as the way of using it and costing. We provide guidance on machinery, beverage recipe and creating menu. We also conduct various type of workshops such as coffee, mocktail, latte art workshop that teaches by our professional mixologist. We will always upgrade our beverages recipe depending on current market trends. Customer satisfaction are always our first priority. We will try our best to fulfill customers' needs and wants. We have our own shipment method provided to Malaysia and overseas. Besides that, machine maintenance and technical service are also one of our services provided to our customers. Do you want to build up your own brand awareness? 𝗚𝗵𝟎 film customization is one of the best choices. If you are interested in food and beverage industry, 𝗠𝗿𝗸𝗲𝗂𝘁 will always be your first choice and reliable business partner. We are ready to assist and support you. Let's contact us now.